Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to clean up your Bok Choy seeds for replanting. Here's a clip from the show. This is our Bok Choy pot. Remember we had the Bok Choy seed coming up here, and a few seeds fell down into the pot. So I got 3 plants coming here that are seeds from the seeds that we planted. So we're already starting the next cycle. And then I brought out the seeds for you to see how they're doing. So these are the seeds that we put away several weeks ago, and they're very, very crispy right now. And so if I take a pod, I take that pod and I just twist it in my fingers. I don't know if you can see. How do I get this so you can see? Oh, it's like that game, you know, where you're just spinning around and the little BBs are floating around. So anyhow, so we got about a dozen seeds. Let's see if I can get that. There's about a dozen seeds here from this one pod, and the pods are really crispy right now. So what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and smash the pods. So the reason I like the pillowcases is because we can smash the pods right through the pillowcase, and the weave on it is tight enough that my little seeds won't get away. So we're just going to crunch this up and just start those seeds popping out of all of those pods. All right, so here are the stems, and if you look at the pods, they're pretty empty, they're pretty stripped down. I just squeezed this bag until we got to this stage. And so this stuff can go into the compost. So we'll put that in the compost. And then here in the bag, let's see if I can get this. Oh, there's our tag to tell us what it is. So here in the bag I have, this is the other half of the pod, which is also empty of seeds now. So that can also go in the compost. And then clear in the bottom and get all the seed in one spot. Okay, so we get past all the chaff. All the way down to the bottom of the bag. And we have seed. We have tons of seed in here. Probably at least twice that much. Okay. So that's a sample of our seed. There's more in there. There's a sample of our seed here. And then all we need to do is get the rest of the chaff out. So you can hand pick a few pieces and you can blow. Blow it and shake it. Okay. You can get that as clean as you want, but you can see we have probably enough seed for many, many gardens. And then this is dry. It's ready to go into a bag with a label on it. And then I'm ready to reseed for next year. So we can take this full cycle. I could seed some, maybe we'll seed some back over here when the arugula kicks out. We'll put some more of this in. So yeah, pretty easy, pretty fun. Great hobby just to save just a couple different types of seed every year. And this seed is good for 5 years. So I can keep this in the fridge and plant a little bit every year. And then, but by the time I get to the 5th year, I need to be growing another crop to seed. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 24. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.